you. Thank you. Come on. You take it down. Try it again. He's got small hands. Uh-oh. You gonna get that one? Granny get it for you? Come on. Oh, God bless you. Oh. You want to put it in? You want to put it in the bucket? You want to put it in the bucket? Well, come on, here. And we're going to turn it over. Let's see. All right. Can you drop it? Bring the bucket. All right. Everybody clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Everybody clean up. All right. Everybody clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Come on. There you go. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Boom. 5 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and we did it! Yay! Okay. Oh, we missed it. We missed that basket. 1 and 2 and oh.
Oh no.
1 and 2. Oh. Wow. Count them 1 by 1. Big and small. Can you count them all? What? You can't reach it? Okay, let's dig them out. Whoa. Try it again? All right. Do it again. We like it. All right. 1, 2. 2. 2. 3. 4. All right. 5 and oh, you ready to come out again?